2 superfoods that stop osteoporosis. Osteoporosis, also known as bone loss, is a condition where bones weaken and become prone to fracture as age progresses. Osteoporosis is often referred to as a silent disease since it advances without showing any symptoms. To maintain bone strength, our body breaks down old bone and replaces it with new bone tissue. The human body is so remarkable that it can completely break down and regenerate all the bones in the body in as little as 6 years. Osteoporosis occurs when the amount of bone being broken down surpasses the amount of new bone being formed. The internal structure of bones resembles a honeycomb, with the honeycomb's interior made up of calcium columns. The denser the calcium columns, the higher the bone density. If a person has osteoporosis, the bones forming the walls of the honeycomb shrink and the gaps between the bones enlarge. This weakens the bone structure. Osteoporosis is most commonly observed in postmenopausal women. What should you eat to prevent osteoporosis? Soy products. According to Professor Yoshiko Ishimi from Tokyo University of Agriculture, after years of research, it was found that isoflavones found in soybeans are compounds that hinder the progression of osteoporosis. Isoflavones, when combined with gut bacteria, result in a substance called equol. Equol's molecular structure closely resembles estrogen. Thanks to the similarity, equol helps prevent osteoporosis. Research indicates that the conversion rate of isoflavones into equol in the intestines is around 50% for Asians and 30% for non-Asians. However, for the purpose of bone health, benefiting from soy products doesn't necessitate the formation of equol. Studies show that even if the body doesn't produce equol, soy products can still suppress osteoporosis. Soy products like tofu, soy milk, roasted soybean powder, and fermented soybeans contain soy isoflavones. Kiwi. Kiwi is a fruit that significantly enhances the effects of isoflavones when consumed alongside soy products. Professor Ishimi conducted research on menopausal women who had been in menopause for 5 years. The study revealed that women who consumed soy isoflavones together with kiwi experienced much less bone loss. Kiwi is rich in vitamin K, which has a positive impact on bone density. If you are at risk of osteoporosis, you can make a habit of consuming any soy product along with kiwi. The simple act of eating these two foods together can work wonders for your bones. An easy tip to follow. Soy milk is readily available in large supermarkets. If you're experiencing bone loss, consider having soy milk and a kiwi for breakfast. You'll notice its effects in a short period of time. If you want to be informed about the latest videos in our channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon. In this way, you'll be notified whenever we upload new content. Have a healthy and pleasant day.